How to fix login error in Life360. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this one tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to fix login error in Life360. So to fix login error in Life360, you could follow the simple steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Life360 app. Sometimes what happens is that when you actually typing in your credential, you might have entered or misspelled your information. So this might be one of the reasons why you're facing login error. So make sure to check your information correctly. Next thing, you could also try updating your app by going to the app store or play store, and this should be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could also try clearing your cache as well as data by going to the app info page and disabling all of that. And these are some of the this were some of the ways to fix your login error. Likewise, if nothing seems to be working out, then you could restart your device and this should be able to solve your issue all at once. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.